All right, Unit 2, Video 2, two-step equations. All right, we're solving equations. I know you guys have done two-step before, but just a couple things you need to remember just to keep, when they get more difficult, that we know how to do the easy steps. So the first thing I like to do is draw a line, the left side of the equation and the right side of the equation. So whatever you do the left side, you have to do the right side. Okay. So, and also don't forget, this is a -1 here. Okay. All right, so I have a multiplication and I have addition. Remember, with equations, we always go backwards of order of operations. So I'm going to get rid of my addition first. Okay, so this is a +8, so I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. Okay, that's going to go away, and I end up with my -x equals, and 3 minus 8 is -5. Now to get rid of this -1, it's actually a multiplication problem, so I can divide by -1. So I get x equals 5. Right, and there's my answer to this two-step equation. All right, next one, draw a line. Okay, variables on the right side this time, really doesn't matter. Okay, so this is division. Great, whenever you have a fraction, it's division, and this is addition. So I'm going to get rid of my addition first, so I'm going to subtract 5. Remember, you're doing opposite operations. Okay, so 26 minus 5 is 21, and I still have my x over 6, and my 5's canceled. Okay. Now again, whenever we have division, the bottom number is always dividing, or when we have a fraction. So I'm going to multiply by 6. That cancels. So I'll multiply this side by 6. So I get x equals 126. Alright, next one. Draw my line. Again, so this 3 here, it's the bottom of a fraction, so this is division. And this -4 is actually multiplication. And then this 7 is addition. So, alright, I'm going to get rid of my 7 first. I'm going to subtract by 7. Okay, so I'm left with -4/3 x, because that canceled. 4 minus 7 is -3. Now, whenever we have a fraction and we have something in the numerator and denominator, we always get rid of the denominator first. So I'm going to multiply by 3, because that's division. Multiply the other side by 3. Remember, when you're multiplying by 3, they actually cancel. Okay, you're not actually taking 3 times -4. Okay, so I have -4x equals -9. And now I have to divide by -4. Alright, and 4 won't go into 9 evenly, but 2 negatives make a positive, so my answer is just going to be 9 over 4, or you can change it to 2 1/4, whichever one you want. I keep it improper. In algebra, it seems to be a little easier. Okay, next problem. We have word problems. Okay, still two-step. Okay, so Savvy and Gabby are both competing in a triple jump at their school. Gabby can jump 2/3 of the distance that Salem can jump. Gabby can jump 30 feet. How far can Salem jump? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out the equation. Okay, so first of all, we have two people. We have Salem. Let me make that a little easier. And we have Gabby. Okay, so Salem, it says here, okay, actually Gabby. Gabby can jump 2/3 the distance of Salem. Okay. So Gabby equals 2/3 the distance of Salem. That's what that says. Okay, and we want to know if Gabby can jump 30 feet, how much can Salem jump? Okay, so we have two things for Gabby here. All right, we have that she's 2/3 of Salem and that she has 30 feet. Okay. So I know that she equals 2/3 of Salem and she equals 30 feet. So I can set up my equation. So I have 2/3 of Salem equals Gabby, which is 30 feet. Okay. So this is our work. Alright, now we're going to split it. So remember, I have a 2 and a 3. The 2 is multiplication. The 3 is division. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. So they cancel. Alright, and then 3 times 30 is 90. Divide by 2. And Salem can jump 45 feet. Okay, and they already told us what Gabby could jump. She jumps 30 feet. Alright, next one. All right, Paige and two friends are going out for pizza. They split one pizza and 3 drinks. The pizza costs $15. They spent a total of $18.75. Find the cost of one drink. Okay, so the drink is what we're looking for, so this is going to be my variable. So we don't know how much a drink costs. Okay. So now the equation. Okay, so we have 3 people, right? Paige and 2 friends. Okay, went out for pizza and they split a pizza. So we have the pizza plus the 3 drinks is going to equal $18.75. Okay. Now we do know a couple things though. We know that the pizza here costs $15. Okay. So I can replace my P with $15. Okay. All right, so here's my equation. Because I know I only have one unknown. Up here, I had 2 unknowns, so that wasn't good. So now I only have 1 unknown. So now I'm going to solve. Okay, I'm going to solve for D. Okay, so let's draw our line. Now the 15 is adding and the 3 is multiplying. So I'm going to get rid of the addition first. So I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. So I got the 3 drinks equals $3.75. Divide by 3, and each drink is $1.25. Okay. All right, and that's it. 2-step equations.